We're about to do something I will be regretting. This will be a good video, as the battles will be amazing. So we have Sparking Bays. These are amazing bays. Love the new system. Alright, so I haven't brought this back in a while. Here and there. We've got Made in Heaven. Made in Heaven is my 3D printed bay. It's a reference to JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. It's really crazy. So before, I used to put on Hybrid, after I switched to the Generate, and then after even Ignition, and then now it has Wheel Exceed. And I am not kidding with you when I say that these battles have been extremely intense. Like, it somehow has improved Made in Heaven's performance like greatly. Like, the power on this is nothing like you've seen before. And I'm very worried because I don't want these. I'm more afraid, like, you'll see my point. The bay is actually developed, by the way, by Quake and Bacon. I'll leave a link in the description below for his channel. Please support him. Support YouTubers, please. And now we're gonna get started. So first of all, to make you understand why it's so powerful and everything, we're gonna do a simple test launch. So if you're gonna notice, it's crazy like wall smacking action, right? So we're gonna work our way up because this is really just the big lad we're gonna go up against. Super Hyperion. We're gonna go up against Glide. Then after King Helios, and then after we're gonna do Super Hyperion. And let's just see what happens. Ragnarok, run! Run, Ragnarok! No! First round goes to Ragnarok. Thank God. No, no, no. I'm really scared right now. I'm not even kidding right now. I'm actually kind of scared for like these Sparking Bays. What's gonna happen? Gonna hit it. Okay, we're on to our third round. I know what you're thinking. Wow, it's trash. It's not gonna win. Now watch this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. What did I just tell you? Did I not just tell you? Did I not just say? Just murdered it. It just murdered it. No, it's done. Ooh! I was like, wow, Ragnarok took that hit. Wait a minute. What the? Yeah, not really. Oh my God. Dear Lord. We're gonna do our final round. I'm just gonna hard launch these. What's going on? Oh my God! I'm legitimately more surprised at the fact that the camera has not gotten hit during this whole session. Oh my God! I can't believe this. This is actually mental. This is mental. This is mental. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna do one more round against Glide. Oh my God, it just hit it on the top and I saw a piece break off. I don't know if this is a good idea. It's okay, Glide, it is okay. We'll be reborn into the next universe. Slightly different. Okay, yeah, next up is King Helios 5-bladed mode. I think we're getting the idea. We're gonna work our way up. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look, when I said this video is going to be intense, you better have believed me. No. No way. Oh my god. And it didn't burst! It didn't burst! It just didn't burst on King Helios! That's almost impossible! It's really tough to burst these bays! Oh my god. A second time burst finish. This is like thanks to the genius of Quake and Bacon for the amazing design of this bay. Bro, it bursted twice. Twice! No! No! This is carnage. This is pure carnage. I'm sorry to say this, but this is pure carnage. I can't believe this. Oh my god! I love this 3D printed bay. I actually love it so much. Sheer power. Whoop. I had to stop it because I was afraid something was gonna happen. Okay, we're just gonna do let's do 10-bladed mode. I know probably I'll prefer worse than 10-bladed, but just because, you know, I want to show both modes for the video, and I really want to just use the gold one. So this is gold King Helios. I like how I'm saying it as if nothing just happened. Oh my god. No, seriously, this is insane. Like, I'm not joking when I say this, but I love my 3D printed bay so much. I'm really happy it's as good as it is. You gotta tell me in the comment section, by the way, what was your favorite round in this? What was the most intense round? Let me know. I just had to get ready with the launchers and everything. Yeah, we're gonna do it, because after we get to Super Hyperion, it's gonna be the real test. I like that spin equalization right there. Okay, I think 10-bladed might do a little bit better than 5. I said I think. What is going on right now? What am I doing for this video? It's gonna kill these bays. Oh no. Let's pick it up. I was like, wait. Stop, it's already 10. Yeah, so you want to know what 10-bladed did? Definitely do a lot better than 5-bladed. Alright, this is the main event. Come on, we are all waiting for this one. Exceed versus Exceed. Super Hyperion. Hyperion. I got an actual ring out. Oh no, bro! I'm dying. No, no. These are the best battles I've ever done with these bays. These are the best. No, these, okay, maybe not that, because it's like a 3D print, obviously. The best 3D printed battles I've ever done. I'm gonna do 3 more rounds. I'm doing 3 more rounds and that's it. That was a draw. That actually was a draw, and that was awesome. They both hit each. Okay, that's it. Final round. No, come on. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. One more round, man. Hold on, give me one more round. One more round. One more round. Look, I know I keep on saying this, but one more round. One more round. I'm done. If this video gets to like, I don't know, like 1,000 likes or something, maybe I'll do a sequel. That's it. I'm getting the setup right now just to end it. No, I'm sorry, that's it. Look, was it fun? Yes, greatly. The talented Quakin Bacon was able to make this possible through the amazing design of Made in Heaven. Huge shout out to him. I'm really happy to see that Made in Heaven, obviously it's only thanks to the big stadium. I'm obviously not going to be dumb and say, oh, it's the best. No, it's the big stadium. It really works well with it, and it's been great matches. It's been awesome. So let me know your thoughts. If you want to see a full battle with Hyperion, I'll consider it. If not, just enjoy it for this video. Thank you all for watching and have an awesome and amazing day.